Hi guys, so I also have the shoulder strap grip mount for action cameras. This is also compatible for GoPro Hero 9 or 10 and other action cameras. So sometimes you are just using the chest mount. Now you can have the option to also use the shoulder strap. So I'm going to show you how it looks like if it is attached to your shoulder. It includes the adjustable rotating mount, which you can conveniently and safely attach to the shoulder mount. So here it is. You can rotate the GoPro like this one. Then you can conveniently attach your GoPro like this and adjust it if you want. You can easily tighten and loosen this. So if you want to face it sideways or in front, you can easily do that. You can conveniently adjust this one. So let's check how it looks like when it is attached to your shoulder. So this includes the strap, this one, and the extension strap. So you can easily detach this one if you're gonna store it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So there you have it. This is very convenient if you are doing really action-packed adventure or activities like motovlogging, skiing, and other fast-paced activities. This shoulder strap is really secure and you can adjust the straps. While doing your activities, you can conveniently and safely capture all your action-packed activities using this one. It's very convenient. So later we're gonna do biking and test this one out.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go,